Hello guys, welcome to 3mm. Let's learn regarding for loop in C. C programming language provides us with three types of loops: while, do while and for. Here let's learn about for. The for loop is used for executing a block of statements repeatedly until given condition returns false. Now, the for logic be like: first, initialization happens. Next, the condition is checked. If the condition is true, then these set of statements are executed. And then the loop gets updated with either increment or decrement. And then the control goes back to the condition for evaluation. If it's false, the control comes out of the loop. The for syntax be like: for is a keyword here. Next, the initialization is executed once before the loop begins. After that, condition is checked until it returns false. The body of the block contains certain statements. Now, the increment, or we can call it as loop updation portion, is executed at the end of each iteration. Next, the execution flow of for be like: first, initialization is done for once. Second, condition is verified. Third, loop body with certain statements gets executed. And at the last, increment portion is executed. We can also call it as loop updation portion. Now, the flow is in the form like: initialization to condition, condition to loop body to updation, and loop updation to condition. Now, the condition, statements and incrementing, the loop body cycle is executed repeatedly until the condition is false. Now, let's have a sample program to print 3mm for 3 times. First, declare I. Then, the for loop starts with initialization part, that is 1 to I, that is I is equal to 1. Now, the condition I less than or equal to 3. 1 less than or equal to 3 is verified. As it's true, control enters the loop body and prints 3mm. And then, value of I gets incremented, that is I is equal to 2 now. Then, the condition 2 less than or equal to 3 is verified. As it is also true, the control enters the loop body and prints 3mm for the second time. And I gets updated to 3, that is I is equal to 3. Again, the condition is evaluated, that is 3 less than or equal to 3. As it is also true, it prints 3mm for the third time and I value gets updated. Now I is equal to 4. Again, condition is evaluated with 4 less than or equal to 3. As the condition is false, now control comes out of the loop and we can see the output with 3mm's. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, do subscribe to our channel 3mm, 3 Minutes Master. If you like, hit the like button and bell icon there, and do share with your friends. Don't forget to drop a comment.